In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add quantity option on Shopify. To make the quantity option appear on your product page, you first need to confirm that Shopify is tracking inventory for that product. If inventory tracking is off, or if the available stock is set to 0, the quantity selector can be hidden or disabled depending on your theme and settings. So this quick check is an important first step. Start by exiting the theme editor if you are currently inside it. You want to be in your Shopify admin area where you manage products and inventory. Next, go to the products section. This is where all of your items are listed. Find the product you want to work with and click on that specific product to open its details page. Once you are on the product page, scroll down until you see the inventory area. In this section, look for the option labeled Track Quantity and make sure it is checked. Turning this on tells Shopify to monitor stock levels for the product or variant, and it is often required for quantity controls to behave correctly on the storefront. After that, set an available stock number. Make sure the quantity is greater than 0. If your inventory is set to 0, many Shopify themes will automatically prevent customers from increasing quantity, and some will hide the quantity selector entirely because the product is effectively out of stock. Setting a real number here helps ensure the quantity option shows and works as expected. Take a moment to double-check that the inventory value you enter matches what you can actually fulfill. Accurate inventory improves the customer experience and helps prevent overselling. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. If you view the product on your online store after saving, the quantity option should be available as long as your theme supports a quantity selector and the product is in stock. And that is all there is to it.